Hey guys, this is Anil. So today we are going to discuss critical path and critical task in Microsoft project. So here I have written few points and these all points we will discuss in practical approach. So let's discuss these points. The first point, the critical path is a sequence of critical tasks identifying which order to complete them and how long each task will take. And the second point is the length of the critical path tell you the timeline for completing a project. The next point is minimum amount of time to complete a project called critical path. Also, we will discuss the critical tasks. So what is the critical task? The critical tasks are the tasks in which we don't have buffer time. Means if we don't have any buffer time, these kind of tasks are dependent on other tasks. If these tasks will be delayed, the second task that is depend on this task will be delayed. Okay, and if that task, due to delay of a task, complete project will be delayed called critical task. Means if a task will be delayed, due to that, if your project finish date will be hamper, that task called critical task. So let's do it in practical approach. So here if you will see, we have a, this is our critical task, critical path. So why this is critical path? If you will just click over here, you can see your critical path. So critical path is a sequence of critical tasks I told you in my point. And what is a critical task? Critical task, you can see, this is a critical task, this is the critical task, and this is also critical task. Why? Because if I will change finish date of this task, means if this task is not going to finish on the given time, means it's going to delayed, then my project finish date will also change, means my project will be delayed, right? So suppose if I'll change this date from 8th to 9th and look my project finish date, all right, the finish date has been changed. Means if the date, if the task is going to delayed, due to that your project finish date is going to change the task called critical task. Okay, but if you will see over here, these tasks are not critical tasks. Why? Because we have a buffer. Why we have a buffer? Because the project finish date is 16th of March, but here you can see the finish date of these tasks is 3rd, 8th and 12th. So here we have a buffer. Suppose if this task I will finish on 4th, then my project finish date is not going to change. All right, that's why these tasks are not critical tasks. But these tasks are critical tasks because these tasks don't have any kind of buffer time. If I will delay these tasks, my complete project will be delayed. The task called critical task. All right, now suppose if this date will be 17th, suppose this date will be 17th of March, then my project finish date will be changed. Look, my project finish date has been changed, and now this task is a critical task. All right. So suppose if I will change this from 9th to 18th, this task is also a critical task, and now the finish date has been changed. So what we have learned in this critical task or critical path, the sequence of critical tasks is called critical path. So here we have a, this is the critical path. And what is the critical task? The task in which we don't have any buffer. If we will change the, means if your task will be delayed, due to that your complete project will be delayed, that task called critical task. Okay, so I also told you in that example, if I will change this date, all right, if I'll change this date, this task is dependent on task 3. If I change the task 3 completion date, suppose 19, then this task will automatically delayed, because the task 4 will start after task 3, because we have uh, finished to start dependency. Okay, so due to that, our project finish date has been changed, means project complete project is delay now. So this is called critical task. Okay, so I hope you understand, and if you don't understand, if you have any kind of issue, any kind of doubt, you can comment me. I'll make sure I'll clear your doubt. So thanks for watching my video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.